A new week is about to kick off right here at the New York Stock Exchange, and no joke, last week was one for the record books of wild rides. Massive swings in both directions at the combination of banking concerns and Fed rate speculation kept the Wall Street roller coaster moving all week long. Eventually, the week would level out and see a steady close, but now a new week awaits. Will we see the same back and forth volatility that last week brought? Very good question. Let's now take a look at what will likely move the markets in the week ahead. First, Monday kicks off in Germany with the German IFO expectations report due out. Expectations call for a read of 88. Tuesday sees focus on U.S. housing. The January housing price index and Case-Shiller home price indices both due out. The housing price index expected at negative 0.6%, while the Case-Shiller report expected to come in 3.9%. Wednesday sees us back in Germany with the GfK Consumer Confidence Survey, that of which is expected at negative 33.1, while here in the U.S., pending home sales for February due out, expectations 0%. Thursday kicks off in the European Union with the release of the EU Economic Bulletin, while in Germany, March harmonized consumer prices await. The reading is expected to come in at 9.4%, while here in the United States, fourth quarter annualized GDP due out. Expectations call for an unchanged read of 2.7%. And we end the week on Friday. That's the busiest day in terms of data. First in China, Chinese non-manufacturing PMI for the month of March awaits. Currently, non-manufacturing PMI 52.6, while in the UK, fourth quarter GDP in focus. Expectations call for a read of 0%. And then in the EU, preliminary harmonized consumer prices for the month of March due out. That's expected to come in at a read of 7.2% year over year, while here in the United States, we have the combination of personal income, personal spending, and March Michigan consumer sentiment. Consumer sentiment expected at 63.4. Now keep an eye on the banking sector as well, as all updates from there have been market movers throughout the world. Even the slightest bit of news, as all eyes are on the banks. And until next week, live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Sweeney reporting for ICF.